In this video, I will show you step by step how to connect Stripe to Bubble. So first, of course, you need to have a Stripe account. If you don't have one yet, just gonna sign up. After doing that, open up Bubble and go to your project, and in the left menu, open up plugins. Now here, go to add plugins and just search for Stripe and just get the main one that is called Stripe. So for me it says uninstall since I already have it, but you just want to click install if you haven't installed it yet. Now after doing that, go back here to your installed plugins and select Stripe, and then you have a few sections. Now just remove this right here. So you have live client ID, live secret key, live publishable key, but also secret keys. Looks difficult, but it's really not. What you want to gonna do is first for the live and publishable key, open up Stripe, and in the top search bar, search for API. There go to developers and then API keys, and then here under standard keys you already find your publishable key. Now how you can recognize this is it always starts with PK, so publishable key, and then live. So first go and copy that one, open up Bubble and paste that in under live publishable key right here. Now for your live secret key, you can see you have multiple ones of these, so for that click create secret key and then select building your own integration. From there give it a name such as Bubble and click create. Then you can copy it. Now it only shows it once. From there just paste that in here in live secret key. Now next we ask for client ID development, secret key development and publishable key development. Now how you can recognize that is it will be PK test. So to get this, just turn on test mode at the top right here. And then what you can see is you get a test publishable key and secret key. So first the publishable key, take that. Then here under publishable key development, paste in the test key, so PK test. Then go back and here take your secret key, so SK test, and then go to secret key development and paste that in. The client IDs you can skip for now, but basically this is all you need to add. Now for the name for Stripe checkout, just add your app's name, so whatever the name of your Bubble app is, and they can also upload a logo to display at checkout. Now for the checkout version, the checkout v3 is the recommended one, so I'll select that one. They can enable link on checkout and collect the user's address with checkout, so if you need that, you can enter that right here. The client ID for development and the live client ID are really only needed for connect accounts, but if you just have a normal Stripe account, that's not necessary, and this is all you need to enter. Now it can be confusing because there is no save button or anything, but at the top it was a saved, which means that of course it has saved. So now if I open it up again, you can see that now it has been saved. Now if you go to design and just add a button, what you can now do is for the button go to edit workflow. Now after you create a button, you then want to go and click on plus and select a payment. Now if you just want to do a one-time payment, select charge the current user. If you want to do a subscription, so subscribe them to a plan, then you can select subscribe the user to a plan. From there, if you then click on that step, what you can then do is here in the right, you want to see Stripe plan name. So in Stripe, just set up the product for the subscription, and then here you can select it. So I already have a bunch of them. For example, here $2.97 per month, and then subscribe the user to $2.97 per month when they click on that button. Or you can also pick a list of plans, so then the person can pick which plan they want to subscribe to, and from there when that button is clicked, they will be taken to my checkout. So now you know how you can connect Stripe to Bubble. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.